All right, so we're gonna do a little quick video here, guys. So we got Coach up in here.
What's up, fellas?
All right, so Coach came down and noticed he had a whole bunch of oil down inside his chassis on Carnage. So found out it's leaking. What happened was it's leaking fuel from this high flow fuel kit, right? Everybody's seen these joints. They do leak fuel, right? And then when the fuel evaporates, you see all the oil. Right, he did a little cleanup on this joint, so you don't really see all of it, but it's in there still a little bit. So in order to eliminate this, and I don't understand why, what is it, Snappy? Isn't it Snappy that makes the high flow fuel kit? Yeah. I don't understand why Snappy doesn't do this, because, I mean, look at this. You can kind of see it's just wiggling around in there. All right. In order to eliminate this is what you gotta do, guys. You gotta put a little bit of fuel line right at the top where the barbs go. And this is what goes through that the little grommet. This is what goes through this grommet right here. So we're gonna yank these out, pull the filter off, and then we're gonna put this new set in here with the the little fuel line sleeves. I mean, it's a simple fix, but I don't understand why Snappy sells is like this, man. All right, guys, so here it is. So like I said, just take some regular tubing here, fit it over top of the end of the fitting, heat this tubing up once you get it down, because this gets real tight. But if you put a little bit of heat with the heat gun on it, or a lighter or something, just keep turning it, and then you can get it pushed down with no problem. So like I said, the only thing that's next is to get it down into these grommets. That right there will stop your leaks. And there it is, y'all. That's in there. So that's all it takes. Like I said, you can see the little gas line right there. That'll stop all your leaks right there. And we set. All right. Crucial RC, man. I'll holler at you a little later. Out.